having a very sensory, slow nature walk around York Cemetery. Enjoyed it very much, and some of the elements that we'd like to take away are the interlayering of the sound of the birds. That was beautiful. And when we got to be able to walk around the herb garden, the scents and the smells kind of stay with us, and the aroma is something that we can all take home. So.
It was really enlivening. Yes, and spending so much time slowly being immersed in sensations was great. And there were lovely bits like the herb garden. Such intense smells. Just, oh gosh, yes, kind of sensations that remind you that you're alive.
The best part I found interesting was when we was under the tree where it was, I got a right sense of peace and stillness, listening to all the bird song, the different birds, I couldn't tell which was which, but I found that bit very interesting, and also walking down the butterfly walk, which, but all the different smells and, feel of things, it's been really interesting, and I'd advise anybody to come who hasn't been round.